Labels. We will now look at the steps to create labels files in our own model. Add a new item of type label file, under Labels and Resources. Set the desired label name. And click Add. You will get a wizard for the new label file. The label file ID will be pre-filled, based on the name of the new label object. Click Next. You can select languages to be part of the new labels. In this case, the language ENUS was already the base language. Click Next to review the summary. And click Next to create the new label file. You can now find the new label files, and they will start with default value initially. Set the required label ID, label and description. Here you can add the new labels, or delete the labels. Save, and build the project.